If you want to open Game Turbo on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then if you use gestures while playing the game, you should be able to find this bar, this handle bar that you can perhaps find on the left side, at least in my case. And I can unfold it, so I can move it to the middle in order to reveal these options, these tools. And I can, for example, tap on the game name, or actually on this arrow here next to the game name, in order to open quick optimization options for this specific game, where I can go to game optimization and choose a different one. I can set up the frame rate and screen resolution. If you use buttons instead, then you can reveal those buttons, and you should be able to find this Game Turbo or Game Boost button, and it does the same thing. In addition to that, you can also go to settings, scroll all the way down in the settings, and you want to go to general management, and here, actually sorry, it's not in general management, it's in advanced features. So here in advanced features, you should be able to find Game Booster settings, where you can in general choose the game optimization, but you can also go to customizations for individual games, and you can set up game profiles here. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.